Make your investment safe with 3J Solution Group of Companies and get monthly and yearly profits with a perfect profit guarantee. 3J Solutions is Pakistan's first company which is providing engineering maintenance, construction renovation, facility management, services and industrial production, serving clients in corporate, commercial, industrial, government and domestic sectors. Our head office and industries are in Lahore and regional offices in Karachi and Islamabad, and our branches are in Faisalabad and Sialkot. 3G Solutions providing services in all cities of Pakistan with all organization registrations in Pakistan with Engineering Council, ISO certification, DUNS USA and GLN registration. 3G Solutions Engineering Group provides services to 100 multinational companies, 15 banks, 4 chains, industries, schools and colleges, hospitals, and many institutions in all cities of Pakistan. Your safe investment will be guaranteed, and you can confidently earn halal returns on investments ranging from 5 lakhs to 1 crore. Your investment will be 100% guaranteed. You can confidently make short-term or long-term investment in 3G Solutions Engineering Group, Cable Industry, Jeans Export Unit. For more information, please talk to our representative and specify the duration along with your investment so that we can share the plan. Phone number 0309 333 2633, 0309 333 5739. Email address investments@3jsolutions.com.pk, www.3jsolutions.com.pk.